What? What the? Open up, Mario and Luigi! This is your landlord! Now get out here and pay the rent! Luigi! Wake up! Mario and Luigi! Where are you? I know you're in here! You can't hide forever! Once I find them, they're gonna get a piece of me! Oh God. Oh God. What happened? The landlord was here. The landlord! Yes. Oh God. Oh God. This is so terrible. Oh God. So bad. So terribly bad. Luigi, calm down. I can't. We still have to pay the rent. We gotta get out of here. Wait. We can't just leave, okay? We have just to stay calm, go find him, and pay the rent. Okay? Let's go. Hello? Landlord? Who's there? Let me take care of this. Mario, Luigi, wait! Before you crush me, this is what I came for. Here you go. You paid the rent. Well done, Mario. See you guys later. Oh God. That was just, man, I don't like that guy. What? Nothing. You said you didn't like it. No, I didn't. Help! What did you say? What did you say to me? Nothing. Hey, get your hands off of him. You're going to die. Son of a bitch. Watch us on YouTube. More videos coming up next. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm Drake Dukes, the creator of the Mario and Luigi or the leg and blah 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 stuff. And I hope you like my videos and get to know each other sometime. Alright? See you later.